got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine.
Hey guys, welcome to Clear the Clutter 2021. That is what I'm calling this declutter series because I needed some major motivation to declutter some of my spaces in my home, and I thought, what better way to get things decluttered than to make some decluttering videos and motivate you to get some decluttering done around your home. So we are starting with the bathroom. Now, you may be thinking that my spaces don't look that bad in the bathroom, and while my organization isn't too bad, it does take some maintenance, and it is time to just clear out some junk in here and make space for some stuff and really just clear the counter space and get all that clutter and junk off of there because it is just been driving me crazy. So I hope that you will join me in tackling your own space. Maybe this will give you some motivation because let me tell you guys, I was not motivated to do this. And I have been seeing a lot of my YouTube friends doing some decluttering, and they have gotten me motivated to get my own decluttering done. So I hope you'll join me. Or if you're just watching today, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoy this type of content. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I would love to have you here. And if you're new, stop by in the comments. I would love to say hi to you. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. So first thing is first, when it comes to decluttering a space, I took everything out of that cabinet, wiped that cabinet down because it was gross, and just start going through everything that needs to be thrown away, stuff that is trash, things that I haven't used, expired items, because ladies, your skincare items, they expire, your makeup, they have expiration dates, and it is definitely something that I have just been putting off. So if you don't regularly declutter spaces in your home and you are new to decluttering and this is just not something that you normally do, but you know that you want to start to do because decluttering is a step in the direction to start getting your home organized. Sometimes people say they want to organize their homes and they start organizing all of the junk and their organization systems don't work because they haven't decluttered and gone through the things that they really don't use and they really don't need. And so decluttering, in my opinion, is a huge, huge first step to getting your home organized. So if you are new to decluttering, or if you are just not really motivated to do it, but in the back of your head, you know it's something that you want to get started on, I just want to encourage you to start one space at a time. And once that space is complete, and that accomplishment will hopefully fuel your motivation to keep going on to your next space. I did it in one day. You don't have to do it in one day. You can start with one cabinet. You can start with one drawer. You can start with 15 minutes of decluttering a space. But when you continue your decluttering process, just make sure that you have completed that entire space before you move on to your next area.
Are turning real, so when the ocean's warm? Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better when the sky is blue? I know I do. In a summer state of mind.
So just so you have a little look as to how decluttering and organizing the space has gone, this is by no means perfect, but it is decluttered and all of the stuff that I don't use is no longer here. And I have a kind of a bin here for just my heating tools, my hair heating tools, and then the other one is just brushes and things like that. And it is by no means perfect, but it definitely is working much better for me.
The ocean's warm. Do you like it better when you see the sun? Do you like it better?
Now, this closet is not really terrible, but again, there are things in here that just need to be taken out and thrown away or donated. I actually organized this closet about 2 years ago, and literally took me 1 hour to get this closet organized, and this system so far has worked really well. It's just a matter of going through this space and maintaining it. So that is what I'm doing now, going through everything, giving it its little maintenance check, and you'll be surprised how much I actually get out of here.
In a summer state of mind. We be wasted all the time. In a summer state of mind. In a summer state of mind.
So with this closet, I'm not taking everything off of the shelves just because I am doing what I said before. I'm giving it a maintenance, so I am just taking out things that are expired and going through things that are trash. So I don't take out absolutely everything, but if it is your first time organizing a space or decluttering a space, you want to take everything out so that you can properly go through everything and see everything that you have. So, random fact, I used to hate labels, and now I actually want to label so many more spaces in my home and just storage containers in my home, for the reason being that having labels on some of your storage containers or bins not only just sometimes makes a space look nicer, but it actually helps for the rest of your family, or sometimes even when you have people over and they want to grab something and put it back, it is just so much easier for them to know where it goes and not have to ask you. So I am a big fan now of labeling. So I had these little kind of like chalk wooden things from the Dollar Tree that I just had on hand and a chalk marker, and went ahead and improvised and used that as a little label technique, maybe temporarily if it doesn't hold up, but I thought it looked nice and it just gave the closet a nice little extra aesthetic appeal. Okay, so this is my trash pile right here. And this is my donate pile. Things that I have not used in over like 2 years. Heating rollers. And I just knocked down all the clips. But these are the clips that go with the heating rollers. So this is all the stuff that I've gotten rid of. Then we come over here and put all the cleaning stuff up there. This, I need to find a bigger basket for because this is all my travel stuff that was good. This basket is not usable for it anymore, but I didn't buy anything, I just decluttered, so I was just using what I had for now. This is all toothpaste that we have, even the travel size ones, and new toothpaste. This is my husband's cords for his razors, electric razors and stuff. I've got bath bombs in here for now, and then I don't really have anything in there. That one's empty. And then I did change up a little bit of stuff. I had these tags from the Dollar Tree. They're actually like the little thin wooden ones, the chalk ones. And I had some chalk, a chalk pen, which was very thick, so you can see it was really hard to write on there. But I didn't want to put stickers because stickers will mess up the plastic, and I hot glued these, and at least with the hot glue, it comes off, and hot glue is not a big deal. But putting stickers, I just didn't want to one day change these out or use them for something else and have all the sticky residue stuff on there. So I chose not to do stickers. So I think that at least helps if somebody has to come in here and find something. It makes it easy. This is all my nail stuff or foot scrubs and stuff, feminine products over there. Then down here, just I gotta put some more toilet paper in here. This is a steamer I like to keep in the bathroom because that's usually where I steam the clothes quickly. This is my kids' basket for when they get sick. It's got the thermometer. It's got quite a few things in here that I can reach quickly if I need to. If they get sick at night or anything like that. So that's easy within reach and very easy to find. Maybe I should just put a little label on here so that we know if anybody else needs to find it, they can see that it's a basket for that. And then this is just kind of like overflow, extra deodorants, extra, this didn't really need to be decluttered, this extra shampoos, things like that, cotton balls, swabs. Just like some feet stuff. So all of that stuff stays in there. And then this is actually something that I use for when I do a snow sensory box with the kids. So that's why I have it down here, just because I like to keep it in this little corner over here. And it's the conditioner and the shaving cream to make the snow sensory box. And then this, I need to get a new basket of this because obviously this is not working, but these are all my travel like bags, toiletry bags. And then this is my little foot spa. So now it wasn't bad, but it is decluttered and it is nice and clean. This is awesome. Everything is cleaned up and decluttered here. And I've got all the stuff that was on the countertop basically here. This is basically all of my stuff is down here. So I do apologize for the lighting, but it is getting dark and it's time for me to wrap up this video. But I did want to let you guys know that this is the last time that you are going to see this bathroom this way, because we are renovating our bathroom, like gutting it, renovating it. I'm so excited. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope that you'll hit that red subscribe button, hit the notification bell to all notifications so that you don't miss that, because I will be recording it. We're not doing it ourselves, we're getting it professionally done, but I'm so excited because this bathroom is going to be completely different. Thank you guys so much. I hope that today's video has inspired you to get your bathroom decluttered and giving you some motivation. And I'll see you guys in my next video.